My name is Michael Vorster. We are in the Hex River Valley. A 1 millimeter diameter difference in a berry is 800 boxes per hectare, which is a lot of tonnage. So to us, the collection of the data gives us a pretty good chance to estimate what the tonnage is going to be. But without the data, we are dead in the water. Well, the valley is really one of the oldest table grape regions in South Africa. About 4,300 hectares planted. 8 years ago, we decided to take a chance and finance and buy our own properties. Since then, I've been farming for myself with my partner, Viljoen, and we've created, Grape Alliance Grow with the properties, and then Grape Alliance, which is our export company.
My name is Anton Viljoen. We're sixth generation farmer here. Villion Farms was started in 2014 when I took over my father's business, and we've grown it over the past 11 years to 490 hectares of table grapes. A good table grape farmer is a guy with a passion for table grapes. It's a lot of work by hand to prepare a bunch of table grapes and a vineyard.
There's got to be a balance between yield and quality. We can't just overproduce and overcrop. If we do overcrop, it has a real detrimental effect on our vines and the lifespan of the vines. And our vines are our assets, and we've got to look after them. We've been part of Aerobotics, the program, since 2019. We use the drone flights 3 times a year on certain critical stages to be able to identify weak spots in our orchards. It's changed our total outlook on farming. The data is the starting point, but it all boils down to how many berries, what are the size of the berries, and what are the weight of the berries at the end of the day. TrueFruit, to us, it's really important because it gives you an early warning sign of if a vineyard's struggling. You'll see your berry size is underdeveloped at a certain stage. The other one is also to be able to see what our yield is going to be. In the past, we used to do it manually. Now we do it with TrueFruit. We take photographs, it's accurate. That gives us a very good indication of our berry size, our crop size, our load, our crop load. And that, in combination with our exporter, we can give him the information about what we estimate we're going to be able to produce.
If you use the technology that's available, you can farm bigger. It gives you more time. You can see a lot further. You can see all your orchards within the click of a button. And that is a must for a farmer in today's generation to use. But from now on, every year, it's more the fine and the detail that we need to do to get that extra edge on the fruit quality.
Well, I just don't think that there will be a future without technology. Aerobotics and TrueFruit are going to help us to cut down on costs. I think farmers should be open-minded and embrace technology. I think it is going to make it very easy, or much easier than what it is now, to be accurate and use your resources accurately.